Manufacturing plants face many challenges in maintaining their equipment. Costly repairs, downtime, and environmental concerns are just a few of the obstacles that they face. But what if there was a way to operate more efficiently, sustainably, and profitably? Introducing Fluitec and Minimac Systems, two industry leaders in fluid analysis, lubricant condition monitoring, and optimization solutions. Fluitec's expertise and innovation in fluid analysis and monitoring is unparalleled. They provide state-of-the-art solutions that increase reliability and profitability while also providing environmental benefits. And with Minimac Systems' local support and service, customers can rest assured that they will receive the best possible care and attention. Manufacturing plants around the world have already experienced the benefits of Fluitec and Minimac Systems solutions. They have seen increased equipment reliability, reduced costs, and environmental benefits. So, if you're looking for a partner that can help you operate more efficiently, sustainably, and profitably, look no further than Fluitec and Minimac Systems. Contact us today to learn more about our solutions and how we can help your manufacturing plant succeed.